Welcome back to Hobo Joe Garage. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. It should apply to most Mark V Rabbits and Jettas. In order to get to the cabin air filter, you have to remove this little hush panel. There's two little wings on here. Should be another one over here that's missing in this car. What do you do? Start with the sun glare. Twist it, put it down. Just get a hold of this. Pull it down. And back here is where your cabin air filter is. All you do, since it's gonna be a little hard to view this, it just slides backwards, down and out of the way. And the cabin air filter should come right on out. Kind of gets hung up on the side of the center console. It just comes out. As you can tell by the two, it was way overdue for a service. Tell the difference between old and new. Old one, factory part. It's actually made by MAN. It's a 1 kilo 819-669. I'm replacing it with a Yankster, or however you say it. Echo 998 Lima Charlie. Both good choice. If you happen to have a Volkswagen dealer nearby, you can get an OEM one. Or if you go on like Rock Auto, look up MAN. It's another good company to go with. It's kind of just whatever your preference is. It's gonna be a little hard to show to get this back in there. Just gonna have to shove it up within the cavity. Slowly working in there. It's a little tricky. You can only go in one way. And once it's hanging down, there's these little tabs on the bracket that holds it in place. You can line those up within the filter, and that's what slides over and holds the cabin air filter in. See how the bottom of the filter has all these little slots in it. Line these up. How it sticks through. Just goes up, slides and locks into place. Then you just put your hush panel back up and the two screws that hold it in place. Pretty simple.